At the beginning level, the teacher is using the strategy incorrectly. A common mistake would include the teacher doing all the recording and representing of new knowledge as the students passively listen. Another example of beginning would be the teacher having the students record and represent knowledge during instruction.
Boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and learn about different levers today and different classes of levers. In front of you, you see the program Sketch is running, and we have pictures taken of the 3 different levers. I'm going to go ahead and identify the different parts of each lever by using this application. So I click on the arrow, and it allows me to draw and point to this part. If I look at the lever, it is pointing to the fulcrum. So I'm going to go ahead and label that part as well. The purpose of the fulcrum is a pivot point. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and find the next section with my arrow on Sketch, and I'm going to label this section, which is called the load. And again, I use the arrow to point to it, and I identify it by labeling it with the curve.
At the developing level, the teacher has students record and represent knowledge using technology. She has them recording and representing as a way to process new knowledge after the instruction has occurred. But as you can see in the video, the teacher gets stuck helping one student and does not monitor everyone for the desired effect.
Girls, go ahead and open up your iPads and open the application Sketch. When you have it opened, you will need to find the photos that we took of all the different levers and identify the parts of a lever as shown earlier to you. You may begin.
I have no idea what that's called.
Okay, let's see here. If we look at this, we go back to what we remember of fulcrum. There were 3 important parts to it. There was an effort, a load, and a fulcrum. And these 3 things, if I look at these 3 parts, I know there's effort, a load, and a fulcrum. I want you to think back to what I labeled earlier.
Well, that's a load and that's a fulcrum, so that must be the effort then?
That must be the effort. I say go ahead and label it. Now, do you remember how to use that section on the iPad?
Yeah.
Label it. Okay, good. And then go ahead and type it in. Labeling it correctly. Nice job.
At the applying level, the teacher is able to monitor everyone and is monitoring for the level of understanding of new content.
Sketch and look for other pictures and label parts.
I have a question. Where's the video of Sketch?
At the innovating level, the teacher identifies some students through monitoring that could benefit from an extension activity. They have demonstrated the prior knowledge and are ready to move on.
You did a really good job labeling those parts and identifying the correct levers. I'm going to have you go ahead and take some real levers now and diagram that. So, do you have a pencil? Yeah, do you have a pencil here? Okay. I'm going to have you start with this. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you take the tweezers, for example. So if we look at the tweezers, kind of look at their shape, and it looks kind of like a V. So I'm going to have you make a V, but a sideways V on your paper. And now I want you girls to talk about and figure out, okay, where would the load be? Where would the effort be? And where's that fulcrum, that pivot point? And identify those on your diagram right there. Okay? And then when you're done with that, I have some other objects here, like a bottle opener. I have some pliers, a nutcracker that you girls can walk out again and do the exact same thing. Diagram it, label the parts. Where's the load? Where's the fulcrum? And then when you're done, talk about it. Is it a class 1, a class 2, or a class 3? Okay? All right. Go ahead and give me those. You girls decide which ones you want to do first, and I'll have these extra ones sitting over here as well. I'm to use those too, okay? All right.
So let's do this. I think the load will be right in here. So